Well, all right, everybody. Very short lesson today. Very short. It's not even a lesson. It's basically telling, covering a couple things real quick that we need to talk about and giving you assignment for today. If you will look at your stream page, then this is first period. This goes for anybody, no matter if you're a blended, traditional. It doesn't matter if you are what period you're in. You can find this on your periods streaming page. And just a couple of things I want to go over. Some students, you're still plagiarizing. You are still going and you're stealing answers off of Google definitions and things like that. And that is a no-no. And that is plagiarism. And when I find it, right now I'm counting off. I'm going to start giving you a 0 for the whole entire assignment. So you need to stop plagiarizing. Warm-ups is very disappointingly not being completed for me. I have many students that are not doing their warm-ups. And they're trying to use the excuse of I didn't know, or I was absent, or I didn't have time. When everything's online, when you got plenty of time. So if you don't have time in class, then you got plenty of time at the house. When you get there, there's nothing stopping you from being able to do warm-ups at the house. So not having the time or being absent is no longer an excuse for anything. You got plenty of time because you got your computer and everything is online. So those of you that are sending me, I didn't know, I was out. No. I had somebody come in today tell me, one of the new blended students, I didn't do your work because it was too confusing for me. And I said, it's too confusing to click on into Google Classroom and watch the video and do what the video says. No. And the laziness and the excuses that you have been able to make in the past are not going to work this year. So some of y'all have got to get busy. The review, we're going to be working on a review sheet. You're going to be working on one today. We worked on one in class today, and there's no excuses for turning that thing incomplete. Those of you who are blended, you can sit and work on it at home, and those of you that are in class, we go over it together. I mean, you should be able to figure it out. So turn that thing in 100% complete. Work is going to be getting due dates, and after those due dates, if you don't turn it in, it's a 0 and it sticks. I'm not going to be going back looking at old work, seeing who all has done it. So you need to be keeping that in mind. You need to, when you find out that there's work that's due, you need to find out, okay, when's it due, and you got to get it done. Otherwise, it's not, you're not going to get credit for it. And some of you are still not hitting the turn in button. Okay. You got to turn it in. If you do the assignment and you don't turn it in, you get a 0 for it. And that's about like making an apple pie and not sitting down and eating a bite of it, eating a piece of it. Why make it? Okay. If you're going to bake the pie, then sit down and have a piece of pie. If you're going to do the work, turn it in so that you can get credit for it. There's going to be a chapter 15 test this week. So make sure you should be studying. This chapter 15 only has 3 sections in it. And we're finishing up section 2. We're going to do section 3 tomorrow. Section 3 might go into Wednesday or Thursday, but definitely Friday. At the worst, you're going to be taking a test. That might be the blended folks, and regular classroom folks might be taking the test on Thursday. So we will see. And tomorrow's classes will be live streamed. So those of you who are blended, tune in, or if you're absent, tune in, and you'll be able to see what's going on. Okay, I'm in period 1's class right here. It doesn't matter what period you are here. Let's go to period 4. We'll use it. It doesn't matter what period you're in. Here's what your assignment is today. If you are a traditional student, this is what we did on Monday, September the 21st. You traditional or you blended folks, you're going to be doing this on Tuesday, September 22nd. All right, so what you need to do is you need to go to chapter 15, section 2. You need to click on it, and you need to be doing this right here. Okay, you need to do the review sheet all the way through. If you are a traditional person, this is due on Monday night before midnight. So get this done. If you are a blended person, this is due by Tuesday. So you need to make sure y'all get this done. Make sure you do not plagiarize definitions. Use the book to find the definition. It's the definitions I give you when I'm going over them in class. And make sure that please on the fill in the blanks, please don't go in right here and type in what you think the answer is. Do not do that. If you will, put all of your answers down in here in the box. All answers need to go in the box. It helps me when I'm grading it. All right. Well, that's it. So traditional folks, you got to finish this. You have to finish your review by tonight at midnight. Or blended folks, you got to finish it by Tuesday night at midnight. All right. Well, y'all have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Bye.